I found this really small dental floss package at a yard sale. It was the smallest one I've ever seen. I've turned other dental floss packages into equipment for my G.I. Joe, like this gray one. And it's very similar to the gray one, but a lot smaller. It doesn't have a lid, but it is a really cool size. At least I thought so. I started by removing the center peg that helped the spool, the dental floss. After that, it would still close and leave plenty of room for things. It has a great shape to it, and it should make a nice little equipment. I have this little video camera that I got from that I found. My daughter says it's probably from a mystery solving Barbie or something, but it's a nice gray color and it looks really cool. I thought this would be cool to add to the equipment, maybe a special camera or something. I also had that Tic Tac lid that I was going to use. I decided not to use it. I used a file and roughed up the surface some on all the sides of the dental floss. I gave it a good couple coats of black spray paint. After the paint was dry, I was able to start adding things. This little piece of plastic reminded me of a screen. I got this screen out from one of my other projects, and it fits pretty nicely in this piece of plastic. I figured that this would control some functions in the field equipment. I found this T-Rex super glue tape, and I used it to tape the screen in place. This stuff actually works pretty good. I was quite surprised. I found this dense foam and I cut it into shape to let the camera sit down into it. I used my Sharpie marker to color it black. It didn't turn out quite as I hoped, but I could replace it later at some point. The camera fits in there pretty nicely. It makes a nice little case for this camera. Maybe this camera is a special type of camera. I added a sticker to the back to give it a screen and painted the button in the back green with my Sharpie. Then on the front, I colored the lens blue and the flash gray. It turned out pretty cool. At least I thought so. I found this broken lanyard and cut off the broken bit of it. Then I made these little loops that go around the peg on the pack, and then the ends of the strap will go on this to create a shoulder strap. There was some lettering on the back of the dental floss package, so I cut out the back of a printable iPad, and I think it looks pretty cool. I decided to give this to my Claire figure as a piece of her equipment. The backpack fits pretty nicely. Maybe she uses these in combination. I figured the camera probably is a special camera. Maybe it records and stores all the video files onto the back or the base unit. I think it'd be pretty cool. And it's great that it has a little handle for her to hold on to. The printable tablet had a camera printed on it, so that makes it also a cool little feature. This was a fun project, and I'm pretty impressed with this little dental floss package. I kind of wonder if it was like a sample or something, but it turned out really cool. I'd love to find more of these and make more field equipment out of them if I could ever find them. I've never seen anything this small before, so this was a cool find. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please click that like button. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. until the next video, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.